Network and the Internet. The Internet is a global network of interconnected computers and servers that communicate with each other using standardized protocols and technologies. It enables users to access information, services, and resources from anywhere in the world. To connect to the Internet, users typically need an Internet Service Provider (ISP), which provides access to the Internet via a wired or wireless connection. Connecting to the Internet. To connect to the Internet, users need a device such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and an Internet connection. An Internet connection can be established via a wired connection, such as Ethernet, or a wireless connection, such as Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once connected, users can access the Internet and its various services. Access providers are companies that provide Internet access to users, typically via wired or wireless connections. Some common types of access providers include Internet Service Providers, ISPs, mobile network operators, and cable companies. These providers may offer different types of Internet plans, speeds, and data allowances. How data travel on the Internet. Data travels across the Internet in the form of packets, which are small units of data that are sent from one computer or server to another. These packets travel through a series of routers and switches on the Internet until they reach their destination. The process of routing and switching allows data to be sent from one computer or server to another, even if they are located on different parts of the Internet. Internet addresses, also known as Uniform Resource Locators, URLs, are used to identify resources on the Internet, such as web pages, images, and other files. They typically start with the protocols such as http:// or https://, followed by the domain name of the website and the path to the resource. The World Wide Web, or simply the web, is a system of interconnected documents and other resources, linked by hyperlinks and URLs. It allows users to browse and access information and resources from anywhere in the world. Browsing the web. Browsing the web involves using a web browser, which is a software program that allows users to view web pages and other resources on the Internet. Some popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Web addresses, or URLs, are used to identify web pages and other resources on the web. They typically start with the protocols such as http:// or https://, followed by the domain name of the website and the path to the resource. Navigating web pages. Web pages are typically organized into a hierarchy of pages, with links between pages and other resources. Users can navigate web pages using hyperlinks, which are clickable links that take them to other pages or resources on the web. Searching on the web. Search engines are used to find information on the web by searching for keywords or phrases in web pages and other resources. Some popular search engines include Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Types of websites. Websites can be organized into different types, such as e-commerce sites, social networking sites, and news sites. Each type of site serves a different purpose and provides different types of information and resources. Web publishing. Web publishing refers to the process of creating and publishing content on the web, such as web pages, blogs, and other resources. It typically involves using a web publishing tool or platform WordPress or Wix to create and manage web content.